In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and promote your events on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to host a small webinar or a large corporate gathering, LinkedIn can be a powerful tool to attract the right crowd. I'll guide you through each step, so let's dive in. First off, head over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you can log in by clicking Sign in with Google or use your LinkedIn account details. Occasionally, LinkedIn may request that you complete a CAPTCHA, ensuring an additional layer of security for your account. After you've successfully logged in, your journey to creating an engaging event begins. Look for the Start a Post button on your feed page. This button is your gateway to sharing content and, in our case today, to creating an event. Once you've clicked on Start a Post, take a moment to notice the various options available at the bottom of the text field. You're looking for the Create an Event icon. It's usually represented by a little calendar or event symbol. Clicking on this will open up a new world of possibilities for promoting your gathering on LinkedIn. Now it's time to add those critical details about your event. A new window will pop up asking for information such as the event name, URL, description, date, and time. This is where you'll need to be clear and concise, ensuring that potential attendees understand what your event is about, when it's happening, and why they should consider joining. Remember, the more detailed your description, the better. You want to grab the attention of your audience and get them excited about the event. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Next. This will take you to a preview or additional settings, depending on LinkedIn's current layout. Review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit Post. Congratulations, you've just created and promoted your event on LinkedIn. Now it's time to engage with your invitees and prepare for a successful gathering. A few extra tips to keep in mind. Engage with users who show interest in your event by responding to their comments or questions. This could increase the visibility of your event and help build a sense of community before the event even starts. There you have it. That's how you can utilize LinkedIn to create and promote your events effectively. Remember, success lies in the details and your engagement with the audience. Happy event planning!